Why your child only listens when you shout. Do you feel like a broken record? Pick up your shoes. Turn off the TV. Come and eat. You say it once. Nothing. You say it 5 times. Still nothing. It's only when your voice hits that certain volume, when you finally shout, that they actually move. If this sounds like your home, you aren't alone. But here's the hard truth. The problem might not be that your child is stubborn. The problem is the pattern that has been created. Today, we're breaking that cycle. We're looking at why your instructions have become optional and 13 ways to get your child to listen without losing your voice. Children are natural researchers. They study patterns quickly. If they learn that nothing happens after the first, second, or third time you speak, they begin to delay obedience naturally. They aren't ignoring you. They're waiting for you to mean business. When you shout, you aren't communicating. You're just triggering a fear response. But we want to raise responsible children, not fearful ones. 1. Stop shouting from other rooms. Instructions shouldn't be background noise. If you're in the kitchen yelling to the bedroom, you've already lost. Walk over. Get eye contact. Touch their shoulder gently. Connection must come before correction. 2. The warning trap. Are you giving 5 warnings? If you say, "I'm serious now," on the 4th try, you've taught them the first 3 times were jokes. Say what you mean once, then follow through. 3. Be specific, not vague. Be good is a concept. Put the blue trucks in the basket is an instruction. Clear instructions reduce the mental load on a child and eliminate accidental disobedience. 4. Don't compete with screens. If they are mid-game or mid-cartoon, their brain is literally in another world. Pause the TV first. Make sure their eyes are on you before you speak. 5. Avoid constant hostility. If every interaction is a lecture or a yell, a child's brain shuts down to protect itself. Correction works best when the child feels emotionally safe. 6. Use consequences, not empty threats. If you threaten to throw away every toy and never do it, your words lose their value. Use realistic consequences, less screen time or an earlier bedtime. Consistency teaches faster than volume.
7. Praise the fast listen. Don't just notice the bad. When they obey the first time, acknowledge it. I love how fast you responded. What gets recognized gets repeated. 8. Check the relationship bank account. Is your daily interaction 90% criticism? If the relationship is damaged, the child will emotionally disconnect. Spend time playing and laughing outside of instruction time. 9. Stop the negotiation. Don't turn an instruction into a debate. You don't need to explain the why for the 10th time while they're arguing. Stay calm, repeat once, and act. 10. Lead by example. Children copy your tone faster than your advice. If you ignore your spouse or shout when you're frustrated, they will too. 11. Look deeper. Is it stubbornness or is it stress? Anxiety, poor sleep, or even learning challenges can look like not listening. Pay attention to the why behind the behaviour. 12. The power of consistency. If a behaviour is punished today but laughed at tomorrow, you are confusing your child. Boundaries are only effective if they are predictable. 13. Don't take it personally. Your child is still learning self-control and emotional regulation. Your job isn't just to punish the behaviour, it's to teach the behaviour. Conclusion. The goal of parenting isn't to have a child who obeys out of fear. It's to raise a child who listens because they respect the boundary and value the connection they have with you. Real change doesn't happen when you shout louder. It happens when you change the pattern. Closing call to action. Which one of these patterns are you going to work on today? Let us know in the comments. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more parenting insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, your voice is more powerful when it's calm.